But Jesus is giving us a clear filter. Look at the fruits. Mayong adlaw mga kaigsuunan ko diha ni Kristo. Kini na usab si Reverendo Nino Tamayo, usa sa mga deacon sa Archdiocese sa Subo. Magdungan kita ni ining palandong, ang pagpamalandong sa pulong sa Dios. Ang ebanghelyo nato karon nga gikan sa ebanghelyo ni San Mateo, nagpahinumdom kanato mga igsuon, beware of false prophets who come to you in sheep's clothing, but inwardly are ravenous wolves. And then he adds, the really important part, you will know them by their fruits. My dear brothers and sisters, in our daily lives, we encounter all kinds of voices and influences. There are so many people telling us what to believe, how to live, what to buy, what political candidate to support. Some of these voices might sound very convincing, very spiritual, or very promising. But Jesus is giving us a clear filter. Look at the fruits. First, my dear brothers, let us look at the fruit in our relationships. If someone says they love you, but their actions are consistently hurtful, selfish, or they always put you down, what kind of fruit is that? That's not the fruit of true love. Second, in our community, if a leader promises prosperity and unity, but their actions led to division, corruption, or more suffering for the poor, those are not good fruits, no matter how grand their speeches are. Third, my dear brothers and sisters, within ourselves, sometimes we might have good intentions or we might say all the right things, but if our daily habits, our unspoken thoughts, or our reactions to stress are filled with anger, envy, or gossip, then we need to look at our own fruits. Are we truly living out the values we claim to hold dear? Jesus isn't asking us to be suspicious of everyone, my dear brothers. He is asking us to be wise, to observe, to see if there's a match between what's said and what's done. He wants us to protect ourselves and our loved ones from anything that would lead us astray, anything that looks good on the outside but is rotten within. Mga igsuon, sa atong pagpadayon nga pagpaniskay-sikay karong adlaw, hinumduman nato kini mga pagtulunan. Let's strive to be people who bear good fruit. Fruit of kindness, fruit of patience, fruit of honesty, fruit of compassion, like just our Lord. Let's also be discerning consumers of fruit in the world around us, choosing what truly nourishes our souls and leads us closer to God's loving embrace. Thank you, my dear brothers and sisters. Oksang buhay. Mga igsuon, karong adlaw usab pagadawato namong mga deacon sa Archdiocese sa Subo, 14 ka mga deacon sa Archdiocese sa Subo, mudawat sa ordinasyon sa pagkapari. Busa mga igsuon, nangayo kami sa inyong kinasingkasing nga pag-ampo. Bisan og usa ka maghimaya ka Maria, halad sa mahal nga Birhen Maria, pangayo sa grasya sa pagpadayon sa pagpangalagad sa katawhan sa Dios. Mga igsuon, daghan kaayong salamat sa inyong makanunayon nga pag-ampo alang kanamong 14 ka mga diakono.